So last time I came, that bird was on the side, on like the railing, and you could feed him, but today he's obviously not into it. We've got the mixed bag of food so that we can feed all of them, because last time when I came I only got nuts and we couldn't feed some of the birds, like the little birds. If you want to feed the little birds, you need the mixed bag. So we've got mealworms, this branch thing, some walnuts and some monkey nut things. The branch thing is what the little birds like to eat, and they are super cute. They're a bit nippy, but you need the branch to feed them.
Hello! It's like mind your own business now. See the one on the left? It looks so cute. Oh, the one on the left is super cute.
Hello! Oh. Here you go.
It just ignored you.
It must be shy. Right, let's just pop it through.
It might be like Camilla.
later.
It might be like Camilla. It just goes like this. You just don't look at you.
This is the hatchery, so this is where they put like the eggs and stuff.
Oh, that might be hatching eggs. Oh, it just waved.
Hello. Is he waving?
Yeah, he just went like...
Oh wait, he just bowed. He just done a little bow. Hello.
I never knew that. Oh.
Wow, look how big his wings are.
Bro, that wing... Bro, people call it his tail, but it's actually their wings. It's the bottom of their wings. Wait, things eat snakes?
Yeah, these ones eat snakes in the wild.
What? How do they eat snakes?
Wow.
The snake will eat their legs.
They eat snakes.
Yeah.
These will eat these mealworms if you want to touch them.
I'm not touching the meal. I'm not touching a worm, just...
I don't want to touch it.
It's so little.
That's so cute. What is that? It's a big one. Look at it. It's trying to get the other one. Hello. He's looking for food, Luca.
Wait, what food is it?
Insects.
I knew it would work.
Quick. Careful, you don't take all of them.
Yeah, that's enough.
Put your lid on, put your lid on.
Are they like nuts?
Luca, why have you turned into like rude boy gamer?
No. Should I touch it?
If you want to try it. Go on. Quickly.
I just put it so hard. Yo, should I give you a little taste?
No, you're not going to run away
He
now.
just slapped his friends.
So flamingos are usually pink because they eat a lot of shrimp.
Oh, but we have no shrimp. Or is it because they are shrimp?
That's true. I don't know where they're getting the shrimp from.
Aww, I like this breath.
Yeah, these ones are cool. He's trying to eat it whilst he's in the air.
I wouldn't eat while you're upside down. I don't think that's going to work. He licks people. He likes licking people. Yo, you trying to get there?
He wants more food.
I got to give him what he needs. Survive, boy.
There we go. Yeah, thank you. Shut the door, make sure that's shut.
This one's kind of cool.
This one's got like different wildlife
Is that a
birds in. I don't actually know. Look, there's this one, look.
Is that a baby flamingo?
I mean, it looks like it, doesn't
What
it?
does that eat?
I'm not 100% sure.
Are we meant to feed them?
I don't know. Usually these kind of birds eat like mealworms and stuff, don't they? Or fruit.
Yeah, because they got long.
Look, someone's put a nut in there and it's not. This is where the meerkats normally hang out, but we can't see any. Hello,
Should I go in the
baby.
bin? Wait, what did they eat?
So tiny.
He just went back in.
So we've just seen this where you can book on for a meerkat experience in this room and then feed them breakfast. So maximum of 3 people.
Wait, no, baby.
Oh, what? What is that?
It's Well, it's eating that now. Should we feed that one? That one's on its own. Wait, do they eat fruit?
And walnuts.
There's animals here that want to.
Cutie pie. Oh, he's trying.
Bro, just move a little bit, bro. One.
He'll break it. Whoa.
Bruh, wait, I didn't know there were seeds in. Oh, that's what they mean by seeds.
No, it's a walnut, so there's...
Sharing.
Oh, that's nice. Oh,
They share.
they shared.
I think they're girlfriend and boyfriend, that's why.
That's why they share.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Sharing is caring. Nah, bro, I thought you got my fingers.
Look how big he is.
No, I'm gonna give him the big.
He eats fruit. Hold it out to him. You're getting too scared.
I felt his beak on my finger. That's why I was like, wow. I felt it on my finger. Now my finger's so wet.
They don't slobber. Yeah. They're so good though.
Wait, Mum. Some of them are blue.
So hungry. There you go. Do you think they're talking about whether they're going to take it from me? Or whether they're having a laugh and seeing how long I'm going to stand here for? We've just sat down for a little snack and we've got like Oreos. Ah, dropped it. And they're Minecraft themed. It's a creeper. Oh, that's cool. Creeper, pickaxe.
Wait, doesn't that mean the next one's sword?
Do you win a prize if you get a special one?
It's the next one.
Do you know what that means? You're gonna have to eat the whole packet just to find and see if there's a sword.
Bruh.
There we go. Oh, I wish we could stroke them because these look cute.
Well, put your hand in.
No, you might bite me.
Look.
Is he the same age as you?
Yeah, because he's born in 2015.
Oh,
We're the same age.
you're both kids.
Wait, where's
Right.
the other one?
There was only one. Luca, do you want to feed him?
What does he like?
Hello, Baba.
Oh, hello.
Yeah, look, he likes it. I
We
guess.
were born in the same year.
Yeah.
And wait, Mum. We're
Yeah.
born in the same year.
Yeah.
And he's a goat. And guess what I am?
Oh, you're Chinese, yeah. It's a
I'm a
goat.
goat. We're the same.
Because it's summer holidays, it is quite busy, and we have come at 11 o'clock. Last time when I came at 11 o'clock, just before the summer holidays, it was really quiet and all the birds came down to eat. So if you come in, I do recommend you come first thing in the morning or later on in the afternoon. Wow, look at all these.
He can't get down it. I don't think he can. He can't fly now.
Come on, come on. Hello. Hello.
It is. Be patient.
Hello. Do you want to nut?
You want it? Do you even eat this? Okay, that one. You want it? Yeah.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Oh. He's so cute.
You want this? This is what you meant to. Why are you giving me that look? Are you okay?
Oh, well done, Luca. Try and put it on your shoulder if you can. Hello, baby. Hi. Hello.
very calm.
Yeah.
Great. So as long as you don't pick up anything else, you just make sure she goes on here when you're done. Yeah?
Yeah, thank you.
Just give me a shout if she's being stubborn and won't get off then.
Oh, look at her going round. Hello. They're not hungry, but they like to be on you. Oh. Yeah.
Fun, like go on. Hi.
Don't is camera shy.
Did you see it? It said small longer. These are crazy. Mama could kill him.
Uh-oh.
It's on your shoulder. Mine's it. It likes when I put my head on.
Oh, yeah, they're very friendly, aren't they? Imagine if we had loads on us.
I remember seeing a lady on YouTube, he had like 5 birds on his, and one on his shoulder, another one on his shoulder, one on his elbow, one on his elbow, one on his hand and one on his hand, and one on his,
Shall we see if
two
we
on
can
his
get
head.
any more on you?
Try.
This is the one that jumped on me before and has taken sunglasses before. Look, she's stropping. Do a dance.
Did you see it? It was
Oh,
like this
you're
and
so
then-
pretty. You're a pretty girl. Is she gonna fly to us? She's. Oh. See if we can get it.
Oh, you don't want to.
Hello.
Did you just say what did you say? This one's just.
I got this back from the top because the lady
Oh.
me.
Oh,
Yeah.
he's trying to steal the food.
Because everyone of the birds kept trying to fight me.
Oh.
Wait, can I get through one of my heads?
You want one on your head? I don't know if there's enough.
I need to hug them. Wait, ain't this the one? Wait, did you not know? These two could have been the ones when I was little.
They could have been. 'Cause birds live a long time, don't they?
Yeah, they can live up to 30 years. And
Probably more. Hello. Ah. He's trying to get in my bag.
I think I've got the medal. So you just give them what they want,
Yeah.
and they eat it, and then they just stay on it.
Oh, cool.
This guy hasn't been fed once. Because
He
he's.
probably has, but
Yeah, but he hasn't.
look how shiny he is. You know when you move around?
Shiny. Because he's been clean.
Wow.
This guy loves you. But he does make noise. On my head. Oh, he's gonna
You
go.
really want to get a bird on your head?
Yes. I just like a bird to be on my head.
There we go. Stay still. Stay still.
No way. Is it coming up? Is he just eat?
Oh, it fell.
I got one more. Shall I give it?
Yeah, if you want to.
And then we're gonna go on the top.
Okay.
Where should I? Did he just throw it? Bro, that was the last one. Wait, wanna come back? Okay. Why is it? Cause
So there is a park here. It's a bit busy, so I might see what I can get from the cafe as a snack. I'm just waiting for the food to come out whilst Luca's on the park. I think what we're going to do is Luca's going to play on the park, we're going to eat, and then we're probably going to head to the gift shop and then head home. So it has been quite busy because of the summer holidays. Me and Louis came a couple of weeks ago and it wasn't as busy and we were able to like feed all the birds and everything. But once you get to the end and you want to hold the big birds, you can let someone know and they will help you get a bird and pick like a friendly one. How's your day been? Good? Yeah, would you recommend Birdland? Yeah, it is a good day out, isn't it? So I think we should head to the gift shop and then head home once we've had our food. Is that okay? Yeah, okay. You don't want to leave the birds.
I want to pick the blue one up, but it keeps on attacking me. Dover keeps on attacking everyone.
Yeah. She's funny. She's a funny bird. What?
Mum, this looks a bit disturbing.
I've got loaded fries. Cannot wait because I'm actually a bit starving now. And you got hot dog. Hey. That teacher was being silly. These are super cute. Luke wants to take home a parrot.
Yeah, like the parrot was on my arm, so I need to
But there's
remember
little
it.
ones here, look.
Yeah, I remember when this guy was on my arm. But
Are you sure it was a red one? I'm pretty sure it was a green one.
No, it was, remember?
Okay, flashback right now.
I think I've got the medal.
And they've got cute notepads. Oh,
I think real life they're cute.
yeah, they were super cute.
They were like this. You're looking at me. Okay, I'm going back.